Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will share a tutorial on how to change Dahua DVR password via DMSS. To change the password of a Dahua DVR via DMSS, ensure that the device has been added to the DMSS application. Next, click the three dots next to the play icon and then select Device Details. Click the edit icon next to the device name, and choose Modify Device Password. Enter the old password for the Dahua DVR you wish to update. Create a new password and confirm it. Finally, click Save to apply the configuration. Congratulations! The password modification has been successfully completed. That's it. How to change Dahua DVR password via DMSS. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.